Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Fine. So if you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. And today we are going to start the lightning sessions. Okay. So let's come and observe here. See, so we have a Salesforce, right? Right. So from this Salesforce.com, okay. So we have two things came to the picture. One is, I mean, under user interface, two things you can concentrate. One is Salesforce Classic, and another one is Salesforce Lightning Experience. People says it LEX. Okay, so this is what we know. When come to the part of the Classic, is meant for desktop kind of a stuff. Okay, if you consider Classic is meant for desktop. Okay, desktop browser, only desktop browsers. Okay, or mobile browsers. So you can consider it as a desktop browser. Okay, your LEX is for browser as well as mobile based application. So these things you have to be remember. Okay, these things. So Classic is not compatible. Okay, it is not flexible for all the devices. Okay, it's a browser based, right? So no compatibility will be there. Okay, but Lightning Experience will have a compatible. It can be the resolutions are very high, and it can be easily flexible to any other devices. Okay, so that kind of beautiness is there. So when comes to the part of the Classic part, okay, the code, okay, the UI code always relates to your visual force pages. Okay, and your lightning experience, for lightning experience, if you consider UI code, okay, you have like aura framework. What is that? Aura framework. So today we'll see about the lightning experience and just giving introduction about your aura framework today. Okay, so this is very important. So you're going to be working on the aura component. Okay, now let's come back. So if you want to switch to the lightning experience, you just click on this lightning experience. First of all, I will already we have been explained in the comings, already explained in the old sessions when you're working on development part or administrative part. We have given you the knowledge on lightning experience and the navigations part and how the part where we created. Okay, everything on the lightning experience. But let us see. We know this is a logo, right? So this is a global search bar, right? So these are the favorite icons, and these are setup icon, and this is user icon. Okay, and this is nothing but an app menu. Okay, so app launcher, when you click on that, you can launch your applications, whatever the stuff you want, right? So that's what here we are having. And when you click on setup, you will go to the two sections. One is home tab, and another one is object tab, object manager tab. So when you click on the object manager, you're going to deal with all the respective S objects what are available. Okay, you're going to deal the respect S objects that what are going to be available here. Okay, and and if I choose this account object, that means you're dealing with the metadata. We already know this stuff. Okay, that's why I'm going fast. Okay, so when you click on object manager, you're going to see the respective object. So here you can create a fields. Here you can adjust your layouts. If you want to create buttons, you can create the buttons from here. Record types, you can create it from here. So what are the just lot of stuffs are there. So we are going to be access and we are going to be deal that one. Okay, so this is the thing, but an objective manager. So when you click on the home section, home tab, so when you click on the home tab, what happens is, you can find the build sections here. Build section, you can find it. User interface sections, you can find it. Platform related stuff we are going to be finding. So by using of these options, you can develop the application. Okay, by using these options, you can develop that means all these are nothing but related to the configuration steps. So that, and you can also make some part of customizations here. Okay, so like when it comes to the part of a classic, when you click on setup here, you can see some of the components, right? Based on these components, you can manage the users and you can do some customizations on the application level, right? You will create the applications, right? Similarly, when you come back to the lightning experience, we can see that home section here, this is what we need. Okay, now coming back, if I open any one of the record, if you see, we know this is application and these are the tabs that are available. Okay, when you click on the tab, landing account object related landing page will be opened, and this is a list view. Okay, and this is a list view. This is nothing but a list view. Okay, so here you can see the list of records that are available inside an organization. Okay, and here you can see the list view buttons. So by clicking on this, you can create the account. So when you click on this, we can call this is nothing but a pop-up model. Some people says that model, some people says that pop-up, some people say model pop-up. So anything is fine. So here you can fill the data like this. Whatever stuff you want, you can fill the data like this. And when you click on save button, record will be saved successfully, and a toast message is going to be appeared, and it will be disappear later. Okay, so this toast message is an information it shows for us. Okay, whether record has been saved successfully or it failed, like that it shows us toast message. And when you create a record, here you can see the record id. Here you can see the 18-digit record id. So all lighting experience deals with 18-digit record id. Okay, and we can call this is nothing but a compact layout. Technically we can call it as a compact layout, but it's a highlight panel. Functionally we can call it as a highlight panel, and this is a section. Okay, and this is section what we are having. Okay, right side section, left side sections. On right side sections, majorly we go for displaying the detailed record detail page information. As like classic, you can also see here detail sections, and related sections are nothing but your child records. Okay, and here the feed items where we are going to be showing it into the right side panel. So if you want, you can change these positions, you can do anything else. Today we can see how we can do that one, everything. Okay, so this is what the background what we are having at the moment. Okay, because what are the metadata you have been created, it has to be opened from the front end part as part of your application, the object and tab level, and you're going to create a record as well. Okay, so these are the stuff what we have learned. Okay, when we are working on the administrative part. Okay, so majorly administrative part when you're working on this stuff. So again, I just bring back to the foreground for you. Okay, so now there is another option for us. So when you're working on LEX, that is like app builder. So majorly there is a certification on the app builder also. Okay, so this is a app builder. So by using of this app builder, it's a drag and drop options. It's a tool. It's a tool where you can build applications, tabs. Okay, record detail pages. So majorly these three options you're going to build with the help of this app builder. Okay, let us see. One second. Yeah. Okay. So by using of these app builders, you can create home pages, app pages, so lightning record pages. There's a spelling mistake, adjust it. Okay. So now let us see how you can create it. Just click on the setup. Okay. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Okay, fine. So what I'm yeah. So when you click on setup, you will have the home tab, right? Okay, you just click on this, and here you type like a app builder. Okay, this is an option called lightning app builder. So by using this lightning app builder, you can develop some certain things. So just click on new. Today your job is to create this one. See, you can create app pages, home pages, record pages. Okay, there is another option also is given, embedded service pages. Earlier it is not there. In a recent release it is added. Okay, I will look into this and I'll come back by tomorrow. Okay, but today we'll see what exactly this embedded service. Okay, we'll see that one later. Okay, so majorly you please concentrate on app pages, home pages, and record pages. So let's try to create app page. So this app page is both flexible for mobile and your lightning experience part. Okay, and your experience part. So here the design is saying, okay, the preview is showing for you. So just select the app page, click on next, and give whatever the stuff you want. SMB sales app page. Okay, LEX. So this is the name which I've been given. Okay, click on next. So what kind of UI you want? If it is a mobile, it shows like this. If it is a tablet, it shows like tablet, like, you know, portrait mode, landscape mode, it is showing like this. Okay, and if it is a desktop or a laptop, it shows like this. If you go with this option. So like this, there are different options are there. Which one you want, you can go. So I will go with these options. See here. Right now, I'm trying to create a page. Okay, right now I'm trying to create a page. That too, it's an app page. Okay, these are called as standard components given by the Salesforce. Based on your requirement, we are going to be created here. Based on our requirement, we are going to be accessing this. So these are the custom components. I mean, these are the standard components which is given by the Salesforce. We can simply use of it. Okay, these are the custom components where we are going to be developed. Okay, where we are going to be developed in the next from tomorrow onwards majorly, so that so that you can also drag and drop your components here. Okay, so today we'll go with the standard stuff. Okay, so what kind of components I can place it here? So it is asking for a charter feed. Okay, you can drag and drop like this. It is asking for a dashboard. Still, this is a new org which I have been taken. Okay, and it do not have any dashboards or reports. We will create. Give me a time. Okay, and you want the list view, drag and drop. Okay, even you can add some rich text also here. See how simple I just drag and drop. Okay, okay, I just given like this, making bold, and right? I'll just give like this. See, I can add a banner like this also. Okay, so you can drag and drop it here. Okay, you can drag and drop it here. Whatever stuff you want, you can add it. Okay, okay, so whatever the stuff you want, you can add it. Okay, so not only this one, when you select this right side panel, the options will be open for you. Okay, options will be open for you. You can do some certain changes. What are the changes you made it here, it can be reflected onto the screen here directly. So that kind of beauty is there. See, let us say for example, and we know this is nothing but a list view. Okay, it's a standard component. Right now we are only having 16 standard components which is supported by the Salesforce, and we have drag and drop it. If you designed your own custom component also, you can drag and drop it here. Okay, but anyway, when you choose this option as a list view here, it is asking for an object. So let me give you an object as an account. Okay, so it's showing all the accounts right now in the list view. So it's showing number of records as a 3. Let's make it as a 7. So it shows 7 records in the list view. Okay, so here there are the adjustable options are there. So I'm just accessing those. So what are the options are there? I'm just accessing those. Okay, what are the options are there? I'm just accessing here directly. So that is the beauty. Okay, so you cannot find such kind of beautiness inside a classic. You cannot redesign your home pages. So this is a charter. It is asking for bookmark. What should I follow up? Okay, so this is the stuff what it has. So let's save this one. See, it is for desktop. If you go for a tablet portrait mode, it's showing like this for you. If you go for a phone mode, see these kind of options it is having for you. Okay, it shows like this inside a mobile. For desktop, like this. Today, we are only drag and drop the standard components given by the Salesforce. But from tomorrow onwards, what are the components we develop, we can drag and drop it here. Okay, let's make this save and make this as an activate. So it is asking for an activation part, and this is the name. If you want the icon to be chosen, you can choose any kind of an icon. I will choose this icon. So activate for all users, only system administrators. You can decide yourself whatever you want. Finish. So it is done. Now, how can I do the unit test of this one? Okay, come back. So SMB. So this is the way how you create. You just click on that. So this is a separate app page where we have been created. It can be included to anywhere. Okay, so this is what we are having. Okay, this is an app page actually. Okay, in the app page, I just given like this, and these are the details of the section. Okay, these are the details of the section. You can choose any one of the object. So you can give this tab. Okay, this is the beauty. So this application can be majorly we create this one for the mobile perspective of point. Okay, so there are something like Salesforce. So you can type like Salesforce one mobile simulator. Okay, so it is a Chrome extension will be here. It can be added so that you know you can access your simulators. See, this is a simulator and a mobile will be open like this for you. Okay. Now give this name. It is going for a verification. See, your classic, it's not, it opens in the browser actually. Okay, it is opens in the browser. Why it is not moved? Let me check. It has to open as a part of app. Okay, I'll check this option. Actually, this is not the view what we are expecting. Okay, so it has to directly open a, it has to directly open an app. Okay, mobile app, like even see, that is a simulator actually, because I cannot show my mobile to you, right? Because you are in a virtually. If it is you are in a classroom, I can show it to you. Okay, so you can please download your Salesforce one mobile apps and you can use it. Okay, anyway, so right now at the moment I have created an app page. Whatever the component I can drag and drop it, I can use it. So that is the beautiness is available here. See, inside Lightning Experience, you can also create some reports and dashboards. So here, let's go and create some reports. See, you can create a different types of reports. As like we already know how to create reports and dashboards in a classic we have done, and already we have done in the Lightning Experience also, reports and dashboards. But the thing is, I don't have your org right now at the moment. I just open a new org for your Lightning Experience part. So, but there are no reports and dashboards. I'm trying to create it. So here it shows all the accounts. These are the columns. You can remove the columns. Whatever the information you want, you can use it. Okay. I just removed a couple of columns and I put only 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it has showing filter options, and I'm choosing for all accounts. See, these are the only data it is showing. Okay. So these are the data what it's showing right now at the moment. Okay, this is nothing but a tabular report what we have been created. Save it. So I'll just save this one. I don't want to go with a private folder. I'll go with the public folders. Okay, save it. See, not only this one. Okay, in the reports. Okay, you can create your folders as well. Okay, you can create your own folder. Okay, so whatever you created, so what are the report you created, so you can be push that into your own folders as well. Let me push this stuff into your own folder. See, you just have an options here. Just click it and check it. See the UI, how it looks like. In Classic, it is different. Here it is different. Check on the properties and change the folder. So this is a folder where I'm going to be store your report. Okay. So you can create n number of reports here. So let me save as, let me try to create another one. I don't want to go this one as tabular. So click on edit. Hey, where is that here option? So I will go group by with rating. Okay. So as per the ratings wise, I'm going, and I can add a chart here. So like this, and save and run. So like this, I just created two reports. One is tabular and another one is a group by report. See how simple it is. Okay. And you can also create a dashboard on that. So let me create a new dashboard, SMB sales dashboard. Okay. Now click on new dashboard button. So why I'm creating the reports and dashboards means I want to create some home page with my reports and dashboards. So that's the reason. So storing my data into my own folders. See, we already explained you about reports and dashboards when you're working on the administrative part. Okay. So I already shared some drive for you. You can check it there. I'll show you that. So you can go and check this one. Okay. So 37th session. Okay. Reports and dashboards. So people may think that why I'm going very high level means because I already explained. Okay. So I'm going for this accounts data. So what kind of a dashboard you want, like this or like this? See how simple it is, right? Let me add. Like this, you can add different components. Add. See, you can place it here. How compatible it is. Okay. Earlier, you don't have such kind of an options inside a classic. Whatever it is there, you are simply using of it, right? So like this, you can add it. See, save this one. So dashboard has been saved successfully and click on done. So this is a dashboard, what the information is showing. Right now we are having only 15 accounts. This is a new arc. So it's showing like this. Now I want a new home page and I can also include this dashboards in it. So to do that, again, come back to our concept. Okay, because already data is available right now at the moment. So go to the app builder. Earlier we have been created app page, right? Now you just create the home page. See, the beauty in Lightning Experience is for different applications, you can create a different home pages. That means you can modify it. But whereas when comes to the part of Classic, across all the applications, we have only one tab. For all applications, we have only one tab. So these are the stuff. Okay, here you can see home page. See, this is the home page. This home page is only flexible for desktops, not for mobiles. If you want to go for a mobile, people goes with an app pages. Okay, this is SMB home. So like this you can deal. Okay, like this, or else you can deal like this. Whatever stuff you want, you can deal it. See, standard components has been increased when you choose this one as a home tab, home page. Okay, so you can drag and drop some certain options. So I just created some reports and dashboards, right? I can also use that stuff. Where is it? So dashboard, I'll put the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard where we have been created, and we are showing the dashboard here. Okay, and I want to show my items to be approved. What items I need to be approved, I just showing here. And you want to see my opportunity performance chart, you can see it here. And you can add some filters, and you can show some filterized of your actions as well. Okay, like this, whatever stuff you want, you can add it. Even you can place the Arcadian as well. Arcadian means open and close. I'll show you. So in the Arcadian, it's showing the two tabs for you. I don't want to go for a dashboard because already dashboards are there. I'll go with tasks. So here you have to add some components. See, when you're clicking on task, task will be open. When you're clicking on charter, charter will be open. So I will add the charter feed here and charter publish also. So what are the options you want, you can add it. Now clicking on this task, if you want to add any option on the tasks, it depends upon you. So do we have any tasks here? So today tasks. So I will see the today task here. Okay. So if you want to add a rich text, you add it here. Okay. So we can also provide information like this. Okay. Bold, italic, and you can specify your own color. Okay, like this. What kind of a big you want? So like this you can make it. So this is the home page. Okay, what we have been created, and you just click on save. Now it's a time to activate it. So activation, directly click on this apps and profiles. So you have to assign. So this is the very important thing, because home page is a common across in the classic applications. Okay, but when come to the part of a Lightning, you can add it. This is what it's saying. Select your app. So whatever the app I want to use only for sales app. Okay, I want to use for the sales app. Click on next. Now what profiles you are going to be used? I'm going to use for system administrator only. Click on next. For your orgs, You will have SMB related applications and you will have SMB related profiles. You have to give the access for it according to your projects. Okay, so save it. We just saved this one. Let's come here, and this is a sales app. Earlier our home page is like this. Okay, it is changed. Okay, see, we have changed our home page, right? We have changed. We can see the dashboards here. We can see something information. You can provide it here. Okay, you can see the quarterly performance. Okay, and you can see the charter, and if there are any tasks, you can see your tasks here. Okay, is there any items to approve? You can choose your items to approve here. Your approval process items will be available here. So this is the way how you can manage your home section as per the different applications. Let's go with a service. Click on the home. See, for service app, the home page is different. For service app, the home page is different. But when you click on sales app, when you click on sales app, the home page difference. Okay, if you go to the classic, see service app, the home is different, same. Sales app, the home is same. Okay, nothing much difference. So you cannot manipulate like this inside a classic, but you can do it inside a lightning experience. That is the beauty of your home tabs. So you can differentiate your home tabs based on your applications. This is what one of the beauty in the lightning experience. See how fast and how simple we can create it. I don't put much stuff. Okay, very simple drag and drop options I can made it, right? Now coming back, clicking on setup again. Again, type like app builder. Now let's concentrate on this one. So let us say, for example, if you open any one of the account record or anything else, now I want to change this view. I want to change this view. The account section, this is the highlight panel, and these are the detail sections, right? I want to change this view. Now I'm targeting about S object related view page, account related view page. I'm targeting. I'm not targeting about home, or I'm not targeting about the app page. I'm targeting about the S objective related detail section pages. So how you can deal? Come here, click on next. Now choose the third option, call it as record pages. It can be visible in both mobile and desktop. So here I will give account lightning record page LEX. So choose your object, for which object you are going to be creating. I'm just going to create it for an account. Click on next. Okay, so what kind of a format you want? Okay, you can choose it. So I will choose like this 3 variations. Click on next. See, again the standard components has been increased. In the next coming days, we are going to create our own components and we are going to be drag and drop. In the next session, we are going to create our own components and we will be drag and drop here. So okay, so now what kind of stuff you want to show? Okay, so whatever you require, you want to show it as a highlight panel, choose your highlight panel. Okay, already here we are having a highlight panel, right? So what I will do, I'll remove this highlight panel. Okay, I will add another one, like I'll add related list section here. Okay, these are the related lists of that account. Okay, and for that account we'll have some detail section also, record detail section. I'll put the detail section here. Okay, so like this I'm just manipulating. and I'll put the highlight panel here. And the activities here, right? I just completely changed it. Not only that, you can also add some tab section. Here we are having some tabs, right? This is a tab section, right? You can also add a tab section. Let's see. I will add very differently. I'll just add it here at the bottom of the screen. 2 tabs are there. So you can add a 3 tabs also, 4 tabs also. Whatever stuff you want, you can add it. So I will go with only 2 tabs. So it is asking for related lists. Okay. So, okay. You can take anything. No worries. Okay. I'll go with the relateds. So here in the related list section, whatever option you come to your brain, you just come and add it. I just add it. Okay. Here all the related sections will be there. Here all the related links will be there. And it is asking for the detail. So you can change the name also. Okay. Not only going with that one, you can add it your own. Okay. So I will go with chart. So I just changed this one chart and drag and drop the chart here. Okay. So if you want, you can add some filter account ID. Okay. So it will shows that account related information here. Okay. So this is what I designed my account. Now click on save. Click on activate. Now this account is belongs to specifically your app, your record type and your profile. So come back here. It is only specific. Please open that kind of a format only for the sales application. Next. For desktop and phone. Next. Asking for a record type. So right now this is a new org, we don't have a record type, but if you consider your project, for your project, there are something like dealers record type and some individuals or prospect record types will be there respected to that account. So you can choose your record types here. So and now it is asking for a profile. My profile is straightforwardly system administrator, but for you there is a system administrator and SMB related profiles will be there. So whatever the profiles you want to select, you can select it. But my wish is to go for system administrator. So these are the options what I have been given. You click on save. Okay. So now it is saved successfully. Now come here, just take a duplicate of this one. See, it is completely changed. Both records are the same, both IDs are the same. This is a old version. Okay, I just duplicate this screen. Here, see here, I can see all. First I can see all the related list, then I can see that account related detail section, and this is an feed section I can see. Okay, here I can see the related list section. Here I can see that account related charter section. Okay, that account related charter section, only particular this ID related charter has become, it is filterized actually. And these are the log sections where we have been drag and drop, and we are seeing this activities related stuff. So this is the way how we design. Okay, this is a highlight section, this is a highlight panel. Okay, so this is what we have been redesigned your app pages. So this is what your Lightning app builder says. Okay, so with the help of Lightning app builder, you can create home pages, Lightning record detail pages, technically call it as Lightning pages, and app pages. So 3 stuffs you can be developed. How you can go there? Click on setup. App builder. So these are the stuff what we created. Okay, but for this record, so it is specifically belongs to the S object. it is specifically belongs to the account S object. The S object is nothing but an account. So even you can directly see it from here. Click on the object manager, go to the accounts. Here there is a lightning record pages are there. Just click on that. So this is a page what you have been developed right now at the moment. Okay, from anywhere you can create it. Okay, so this is what I would like to deliver today. I just given you, I just brought up you, like already we have been discussed these things. Okay, I just brought up you, okay, what exactly the lightning experience is. Okay, on what area you have to be concentrate. No matter, people will never ask you what is the difference between classic and lightning experience. They will only ask you the interview questions on app builder. So how to use app builder, how you can using drag and drop. Today we have been drag and drop the standard components only. Okay, but we can also drag and drop the custom components. So that means definitely in the next session we are going to be working on the aura components, that means UI part. Okay, UI part we are going to be work. So at that time I'll write a code and I'll show you something else. So meanwhile, you people, please work on this lightning app builder, and go and check this aura components. How you can go and check means, come here, type like this, lightning component library. I repeat, you people has to check this lightning component library. Okay, click on this component library. Okay, check these options, check this aura. So we are going to be working on this aura. Go and check each and everything whatever it is there. Okay, so we are going to use this stuff. So click on this developer guide. Okay, click on this developer. This is showing for a lightning web component. Okay, then click on this component reference and just check it what it is there. Okay, so go through this one. So this is very important for you. So I will give a trial head for you on this lightning experience and super badge also. Please complete those things by today. Okay, and tomorrow come up with a fresh mind with the UI. Not tomorrow, because I have different slots are there. Not tomorrow. Again we are catching up on third. Okay, again we are catching up on third. You have a buffer time for tomorrow. So tomorrow you're going to be research everything. Okay, if I have time, definitely I will reach you, or else I can be reached on to the third. So please be cooperate. Okay, so this is very crucial here. Okay, I will be very spoon feeding for you on the lightning part. Okay, so please be available for the next session. That is a coding stuff. It's a completely spoon feeding for you. Okay, yeah. So that's it for today. I'll post this video immediately in your drive. Go through the drive and access it. Okay, and complete this one. I'll give you the trial heads as well. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubts or any questions, post me in the WhatsApp group so that I can be reply on top of it. Thank you. But please be available on third, not on second. Thank you.